and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I am here with my fab bag, and this is their February fab bag. And this one is the repeated one. I already have this bag with me, like I received it 2 months back. Anyway, this is their February fab bag, and without wasting any more time, let's unbox this. So those who are new to my channel, hello, my name is Aditi, and if you don't know what the fab bag is, I'm gonna leave a link over here so you can check my video where I'm gonna explain you everything about fab bag, what it is, how it works and everything. So you can use my code Aditi10, it is flashing here on the screen, and you can avail 10% discount on 3 and 6 month subscription. The first product that I have with me is the Chic Mask. I've already received this one like in previous fab bag. So this is their One Sub Lavender Soothing and Foaming Facial Mask. The next product that I have with me is the soap company Saffron Sorbet, and you can see I haven't opened the packaging yet. I'm sorry for the noise. I think I already received this product, like not the exact one, but it was a sorbet, like transparent color. I think that was aloe vera. But the fragrance is super strong. I don't think I'm gonna use it on my face. The fragrance is very strong, guys. No, I'm not gonna use it on my face, but definitely I will use it on my hand or on my legs. So it is a very lightweight formulation, absorbs quickly into the skin and leaves your skin hydrated and glossy. Like not glossy but dewy. So yes, but again, the fragrance. The next product that I have with me is the Coco Nourishing Body Lotion. I have never used this, like the variant, talking about the variant, I have used their shampoo, I have used their conditioner, and they were amazing. And now it's the body lotion. If I like it, I'm gonna buy the full size of it. But yeah, this is how it looks like, very cute, travel friendly. Wow, so the fragrance is really good, coconut fragrance. I love coconut. So now the next product that I have with me is this one, and what a product. I love it. I checked the price. It retails for rupees 299, and for 299 it is a fabulous product. Girls, go and get this product. It is the Teen Trendz 5 Steps Matte Lipstick. And if you can see, like, let me give you a closer look first. Alright, so these all are the colors that you're gonna get, 5 colors. So this color that I'm wearing, let me zoom you all a little in. So this color that I'm wearing is this one only, and I love it. The formulation of this lipstick, yeah. So the formulation, it's amazing. The colors, it's amazing. I'm in the variant, the nudes, and it has one more variant which is the brights. So I'm gonna show you, like, just do it like this. You get this mini lipstick here and just push it like this and you'll get another color. So yeah, such an amazing product. And the last product that I have with me is this Teen eyeshadow palette. I haven't used it yet, but let me swatch it for you guys. So this is how the palette looks like. Color looks amazing, and I don't know what the variant is. Like, it's not written over here, but the packaging is not at all like the packaging is. Can you see that? So it's kind of cheap packaging. I don't like it at all, and I haven't used this palette yet. So it has this sponge tip applicator, eyeshadow applicator, which I know I am never gonna use. Then these are the colors, like let me give you all a closer look. So these all are the colors, and they all are shimmery. Not even a single shade is matte. And let me swatch this silver color for you because this looks tempting to me. And this is how it looks like, and it is not bad at all. Like, the pigmentation is good, if you can see. Okay, I will swatch each and every color for you. This is a sort of grey color, like this is not jet black, but it is grey, and definitely one will face fallout issues with this because it's super powdery. So these all are the colors, but I found this palette cheap. Alright guys, so if you have any other query or recommendation, do let me know in the comment section below. I'm gonna leave my coupon code here so that you can use it and get 10% discount on 3 and 6 months subscription. And I will see you in my next video.